Hello, I'm Michelle Johnson, County Administrator here in Charles City County, coming to you with a COVID-19 update. It's been a while since I've delivered a direct message to you, but I thought due to unforeseen circumstances, it was time for me to come back and let you know what's going on here in Charles City County as it relates to COVID-19. Some of you may or may not know our Board of Supervisors member who represents District 3, Mr. Lewis Black, has tested positive for COVID-19. Normally, any health related matters with our staff or our board of supervisors is a private matter. However, in speaking with Mr. Black, he wanted his testing to be to become public information. In his words, I would quote, Ms. Johnson, please let Charles City know that this disease is real and is impacting our community, end quote. So I would ask that you would keep Mr. Black and his family in your thoughts and in your prayers as he's recovering from COVID-19. As of today, December the 3rd, we have 145 cases confirmed by the Virginia Department of Health. Out of the 145 cases, we have 4 individuals that are currently recovering and unfortunately 7 deaths. I would ask that you would keep all the individuals that have recovered, those that are recovering, and families who have lost loved ones to this terrible disease in your thoughts and in your prayers. We're doing everything that we can to keep this community safe. So next week on December the 9th from 4 to 6 p.m. at the Charles City County Social Center, we will conduct, or Virginia Department of Health will conduct another coronavirus testing. We had 2 testing events in November. The first testing event, we tested 85 individuals. The second event, we tested 81 individuals and distributed 25 flu shots. So next week on December 9th from 4 to 6 p.m. at the Charles City Social Center, please come out and get tested for coronavirus. But if you are experiencing any symptoms prior to that event, please contact your local primary care physician. You can also contact Central Virginia Health located on Courthouse Road that is also administering testing here in our community. Or you can go to the VDH website, put in your zip code, and they'll give you all the test sites in our area. Charles City, we want you to stay safe, and we want to do everything that we can to keep you safe. So we've received assistance from the Commonwealth of Virginia and have been able to distribute over 6,500 face masks and over 5,000 bottles of hand sanitizer throughout the community. We distributed through our faith-based community to all of our churches. If you voted on back in November, you were able to receive face masks or hand sanitizer during voting season. And so we've requested 5,000 additional masks and 5,000 additional hand sanitizers that we will be distributing in the next coming weeks. When our students return to school, we've also been able to distribute 900 face masks and bottles of hand sanitizer to the schools when our students return. And so we're doing everything that we can to keep the community safe. Earlier this week, the Treasurer's Office was contacted that one of the staff persons came in contact with someone who had tested positive for COVID-19. And in order to keep the staff here in the Government Administration Building and our citizens safe, we immediately closed the office and had it sanitized for precautionary measures. All of the Treasurer staff are now quarantined just to be safe, to make sure that the virus does not continue. It is tax season. So if you need to pay your taxes, you can also come to the Government Administration Building. There's a drop box in front of our building where you can drop off a payment if you're paying by check. If you're paying by cash or card, we would ask that you go to the Citizen and Farmers Bank in Providence Forge, to the BB&T Bank on Courthouse Road, or you can pay your taxes at the web address located in your bill online. We would ask and thank you so much for your patience during this difficult time, but it's most important that we keep our community safe and we follow all necessary precautions to keep our community and our staff safe during this unforeseen circumstance. This Sunday, we will have our drive-through grand illumination. It's the holiday season, and we still want to celebrate here in the community but safety of your health for all of our citizens is most important. So this Sunday, our grand illumination will be a drive-through. Do not get out of your car. You will journey to the Charles City High School or Courthouse Road on around 6 o'clock. And the Sheriff's Department and the Fire Department will lead you from Courthouse Road in front of the Charles City High School to up to the Government Administration Building. So my staff has planned a beautiful scenery of lights and festivities. And again, this will be a parade of cars where you do not get out of your car. At the end of the program, as you circle back out of the complex to get back on Route 5, you will receive a little token from Charles City County that will include hand sanitizer and face masks. Again, we will not allow anyone to get out of your car. It will be drive-through only. This Sunday, December the 6th at 6 o'clock here on Courthouse Road. So we look forward to seeing you there. Ladies and gentlemen, please continue to follow all CDC guidelines by washing your hands, using hand sanitizer, wearing your face mask, and practicing social distancing. Charles City, we want you to stay safe and to stay hopeful that we will get through this disease and through this pandemic together. Thank you for your time today. I am Michelle Johnson, County Administrator here in Charles City County.